In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a post on Quora. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the Quora website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your home dashboard. Once you're on the home page, you'll see your main feed with questions, answers, and posts from people and spaces you follow. At the top of this feed, there's a box that usually says something like, "What do you want to ask or share?" This is where you'll begin creating your post. Just below that field, you'll see a few options, including one labeled Post. Click on that Post option. This tells Quora that you want to write a general post rather than asking a question. When you click it, a larger writing area will open up, giving you space to type your content. Now, click inside the main text field and start writing your post. Take your time to clearly express what you want to share. You might be giving an opinion, telling a short story, or offering advice. Try to keep your writing organized and easy to read. Short paragraphs usually work best on Quora. Before you move on, quickly proofread what you've written to fix any obvious spelling or grammar mistakes. Next, look for a drop-down option that usually says Everyone near the top of the post box. This controls where your post will appear. Click on this drop-down and you'll see options for different spaces or audiences. Choose the space that best fits your topic, or leave it as Everyone if you want it to be visible to a broader audience. Posting in a relevant space often helps your post reach people who are more interested in that subject. If you'd like to make your post more engaging, you can add an image. At the bottom left corner of the post editor, click on the small image icon. This will let you upload a picture from your device. Choose an image that supports or illustrates what you're writing about, and avoid anything unrelated or low quality. You can also adjust how your text looks. Click on the double A icon to open text formatting options. From here, you can change things like headings or emphasis to make your post clearer and more readable. Once you're happy with your content, your space selection, and any images or formatting, go ahead and click the Post button. Your post will be published on Quora and visible to the audience you selected.